To make a woman miss you, you need to offer her something special that she believes is unique and can't find with anyone else. This approach is effective whether you're in a relationship or just chatting with her. Have you ever found yourself always looking at your phone, waiting for a text from someone you like, but they don't seem to notice or care about you? There are some simple mind tricks you can use to make them really start missing you and thinking about you when you're not there. Soon, they'll really want to meet you again. Let me share with you 9 tips. 1. Don't be always texting or calling them. If you do, it shows you have nothing else going on in your life, and that's not appealing. It's like eating the same meal every day. Soon, you'll get bored. If you're always there, they won't miss you. People want what they can't have easily. By not being always around, you make them curious about you. Too much texting or calling looks desperate, and that pushes people away. They are attracted to things a bit out of their reach. Being away makes them wonder about you and miss the fun times. So, cut down on the constant messages. It's not about ignoring them, but showing you have your own life. Give them space, and they'll start thinking about you more. Let them reach out to you. It's not playing hard to get. It's showing you're worth waiting for. 2. Make them a little jealous. Now, jealousy isn't always good, but if you use it smartly, it can make someone miss you more. This doesn't mean you should hurt or trick them. Instead, gently stir up feelings of wanting and desire. Show off your fun social life. When they see you having a great time with others, they might feel jealous and see what they're missing. Share your adventures and outings with friends in a real and natural way. Let them notice how full of life you are and how they're not there to share it with you. This bit of jealousy can make them really want to be part of your life again. Just be careful and keep it kind and respectful. 3. Don't immediately respond to trivial messages. If they send a quick emoji or say, "hello," and you reply instantly every time, it gives off the vibe that you're just sitting around waiting for them. This makes you seem less valuable. The truth is, people value what isn't easily available. If you hold back on giving them immediate attention, they'll try harder to get on your priority list. Constantly replying fast will teach them that minimal effort is enough for your engagement. Instead, when you receive a simple message, delay your response. This demonstrates you have ambitions and a life beyond awaiting their messages. It's not about playing hard to get, but showing you're not glued to your phone. By not responding instantly, you make your attention more valuable, prompting them to invest more effort, and thus they'll start to appreciate your attention more. 4. Be your own person. In relationships, or when you want someone to miss you, it's important to show that you're a whole person by yourself. Your life should be full and interesting without them. Showing your interests, hobbies, and ambitions makes you more appealing. When they see you're happy and doing well on your own, they'll want to be part of your life more. This doesn't mean ignoring them or being cold, but keeping a good balance between your own activities and your time with them. Work on your own happiness and growth. Dive into your hobbies, hang out with friends and family, and focus on your career or studies. Let them see you're happy without needing them to make you feel complete. They'll see how well you're doing and will miss being by your side, wanting to join in on your joy. 5. Keep some mystery. Being mysterious can really draw people in. People are naturally curious, and if they can't figure everything out about you, they'll think about you more. If you share everything about yourself right away, there's nothing new for them to learn, and the excitement wears off. But if you open up bit by bit, it keeps their interest alive, and they'll always want to know more. Don't share every single thing about your life right away. Give them just enough to get their curiosity up, but leave some things unsaid. When you don't tell them all about your activities, whereabouts, or companions, it turns you into a puzzle they're eager to solve. For example, if something interesting happens, just hint at it like, "Had an unexpected adventure today," without giving away the story. This makes them ask questions and keeps the chat lively. By keeping up this mystery, you're like a book they can't stop reading. With each part of you, they discover more fascinating than the last. This approach doesn't just keep you on their mind, it also makes talking to you more fun and interesting. 6. Always leave them eager for more. Make sure every time you talk or meet, they can't wait for the next time. This means ending conversations while they're still fun and not dragging them out until they become dull. Focus on making each moment count, rather than how many moments you have. If you finish a chat or a date while it's lively, with hints of more excitement next time, they'll be left wanting more. It's like a TV series that ends with a suspenseful twist. They'll be looking forward to the next part. Instead of letting a date go on until it fades out, choose to part ways at its best moment. This approach keeps them thinking about you and longing for your next meeting. By doing this, you become something special they look forward to, increasing their desire for you and making them miss you more when you're away. 7. Show your charm and self-assurance. Being charming and confident attracts people and makes them miss you when you're gone. It's not about acting too bold, but being at ease with yourself and genuine in how you communicate. Confidence lets you radiate a vibe that lifts others up, making them notice when you're not there. To be charismatic, focus on making people feel appreciated and heard, rather than just seeking attention. After talking to you, they should feel uplifted. Confidence comes from valuing yourself and your talents, not needing others to constantly reassure you. You might still face self-doubt, but you show that it doesn't control you. This can be seen in the way you carry yourself, tackle challenges, and try new things. By being both charismatic and confident, you leave a strong impression. People gravitate towards those who are self-assured and make them feel valued. Your charm and confidence will leave a mark, making others look forward to spending time with you again. 8. Share your growth and achievements. When you let someone know about your personal successes and how you're growing as a person, it can really make them take notice and miss your presence. You don't have to brag, but sharing your progress in hobbies, work, or personal projects shows you're moving forward in life. This can make them admire you more and feel like they're missing out on being part of your journey. It's about letting them see you're doing well and are happy with your own achievements. This can spark their interest and curiosity about what you're up to and make them want to be more involved in your life. 9. Give them meaningful compliments. Whenever you do talk or spend time together, make sure to give them compliments that are genuine and meaningful. This shows you pay attention to them and value their qualities and efforts. It's not about flattery, but about recognizing what you genuinely admire in them. This can leave a lasting impression, making them feel appreciated and thought of. They'll miss the positivity and warmth you bring into their interactions, and will look forward to more moments where they feel seen and appreciated by you. And there you have it. Our exploration of how to make someone genuinely miss you has come to an end. Keep in mind, these tips are for improving your own life and building real connections, not for playing games with others. If this conversation helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Your support means a lot to us. Take care. Until next time.